How to add location on Grab. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a location on Grab. First, launch the Grab app on your phone. Now it will ask you to add your location to get started. After entering your location, you will be directed to the home page. Now, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down the menu list and look for the option related to location. Otherwise, go back to the home page and there is your location on the top. Tap on your location and search for your location. You can also choose from the map. Finally, choose your current location and it will be automatically added to your Grab account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.